Okay, this is the Lenovo Yoga Tablet, Smart Tablet with Google Assistant, and I wanted to do a little update since I first unboxed it. So in that video I showed you, here's USB-C, which was important to me, and then it's got these nice speakers, the round speaker, and that's, I think, a headphone jack. You got your power, volume, and you can see it's a little dust. I've got the screen cover on, and then this is the back. Why I like this is it had the built-in stand, because I want to use this for video conference, so it goes like that. And what I found is you punch this to get it out, and then it stands up nice. So I have it on the desk here, and I wanted to show you the sound. So you just swipe up to turn on, and then part of why I got this was the speakers, because I wanted it to have decent sound for, so let me see here, if I'm doing a video conference. So should be able to volume. I'll do it up slowly so you can hear. That's the top. You can hear just maybe a little reverb at the top. But if you keep it right there in the middle, it's pretty good for a tablet. So those are the JBL speakers. And it works nice as a music device. I'll do it. I'll go back down and then up for you again. That's full. And for this song, to me, it sounds a little bit much, but if you're farther away, but there, it's a nice mid-volume sound. So overall, I like the tablet. I haven't used it a ton. I got it for travel and for this one mainly for having a video conference with someone. I could have them come in, set it on the desk without a plug-in. The goal is just have my assistant set it on the conference room table, and then they could look at the screen and see me, and it has a decent front cam here, 5 megapixel when I tested it out for that. Pretty good for a video conference. But I will say I'm not sure. So the bottom part is nice with the speakers for what I use it for, but it does add this little, if you try to grip it. Now Lenovo said they did this so you could like grip it like a book, but so if you're reading with it, it might work nice, but I found it does add a little weight, and you know, you can see it's thicker here. So if you just want to slip it into like a bag for travel, you might just want a thinner tablet. That's just my impression. And then I've never had this size before, but the 10-inch screen might be, if you want one for travel. I wouldn't go bigger than that, because I'm thinking I would shove it into my carry-on backpack. But key for me again was this USB-C, because that's my cell phone, so I want to be able to just take one charger and charge it up. And then the other thing I'm planning is that I would use this while traveling. I could have a video conference if I just have this tablet along. So that's an update on the yoga. I'll try to do more if I think of it as I use it more, and if you have a question, you're thinking about buying it, and something I didn't cover, you could mention it in the comments and I'll try to get back to you. Thanks for watching.